Hey everyone, welcome back to Lazyboy Crypto. What if I told you you could get free crypto for not doing anything? No investing, you don't have to stake anything, you don't have to do anything really, but if you use the link in my description and use my promo code LAZYBOY, then you will get 100 free Unicoins. Now, if you want to know all about Unicoins, then I will explain it in this video so that you know what you're getting. But if you just want 100 free coins of a cryptocurrency, then use the promo code in the link in the description. So what is Unicoin? Well, if you've heard of Shark Tank or Dragon's Den, the next TV show is Unicorn Hunters. And they have featured on Amazon Prime before, but now you can find them on YouTube. And basically Unicorn Hunters is a show that looks for the next big business idea, but they have a focus on businesses that can IPO at above $1 billion valuation. So they're really looking for a unicorn. And with Unicorn Hunters, the panel is made up of some famous names, including co-founder of Apple, Steve Wozniak, and also a former treasurer of the United States. So there are some big names attached to this show, and they are going to be releasing the Unicoin, and that is going to be backed by real-world assets from all the companies that they invest in on the Unicorn Hunters show. Those companies will be generating real-world revenue, and the holders of the Unicoin will receive dividends for holding this token. So Unicoin is unique in that it is actually backed by real-world assets. Now, it's not available on exchanges yet, but it will be available in 2023 on crypto exchanges. For now, you can buy it via the website, just use the link in the description, or you can get 100 free Unicoins just by using my promo code. So let's look at the Unicorn Hunters website, let's look at more about the panel, what Unicoin is, and everything else associated with it. So let's go. So this is the Unicoin website. It's unicoin.com if you want to check it out for yourself. It's a currency that pays dividends, backed by a growing portfolio of equity stakes in emerging growth companies. Coin holders will be stakeholders of a global fund of innovations. Now, they are targeting a portfolio size of $220 billion, which will put the coin at a valuation of roughly $40 per Unicoin, which is huge. However, they don't expect that to come about until 2026, but maybe earlier. Right now, the coin is at 10 cents per coin. Unicoin is the official coin of Unicorn Hunters. More about that in a minute. But as I said, Steve Wozniak is on the show, he's on the panel, he's one of the people looking for this unicorn, this business that is going to revolutionize whatever industry it is in. And these are all the other people associated with Unicoin and Unicorn Hunters. You have Rosie Rios, former treasurer of the United States, former chief of administration of Joe Biden. You have all these legit people, and you can look at their LinkedIn as well if you want to know more about them, but they are real people and you can check them out. These are legit people and they are involved with Unicoin. So they will be investing Unicoins in hundreds of emerging growth companies with high expansion potential. But you should note that you won't be able to sell more than 5% of your investment per month. Profits generated by the investments will be regularly paid to the holders of Unicoin as dividends. And the dividends will be paid in Unicoins at whatever the market price of the Unicoin is at that time. So let's check out the Unicorn Hunters show really quick. So the show is kind of like Shark Tank or Dragon's Den, but a bit different. The sharks, or the panel I should say, are not competing with each other. They are all in it together to find a unicorn and invest equally, or however much they want, but together. They're not competing. And they also spend a lot more time really analyzing the businesses. They go into a lot of detail about the financials of it and the industry itself, competition. Like, they really do a deep dive of whatever the business person is presenting. And they're really trying to find the unicorn, essentially, something that's going to have $1 billion evaluation when it launches. So you can watch some of their episodes directly on the website if you want to check it out, but they also have a YouTube channel as well. So just Google Unicorn Hunters or type that into YouTube. And this is the panel, so you have Lance Bass from NSYNC, Rosie Rios, former Treasurer of the United States, you have Steve Wozniak, former co-founder of Apple, and all these other people as well. I don't know all of them, but you can check them out. As I said, all their LinkedIns are available. So they're treating Unicoin right now as a pre-IPO investment opportunity. So if you buy now when it's 10 cents a coin, then before it's released on crypto exchanges, before these businesses actually do IPO, the valuation could go up by quite a bit. And remember, they're trying to target a $40 per Unicoin. That may not happen for a few years, but that is the valuation that they are targeting. So right now, you're super early if you do want to buy some Unicoins. But as I said, if you do want to just receive 100 free Unicoins without investing anything, without a penny of your own, then just use the link in the description of this video. It's unicoin.com/100, and you need to use my promo code lazyboy. And you just type in lazyboy right here, all lowercase like that, and then you click apply promo code. Now you will have to fill out this short form, so it's your first and last name, email, phone number, the country you reside in, and your city. And then you just agree with the data privacy policy and then click next, and then you will receive a certificate. And the certificate looks like this: Unicoin's pre-sale certificate hereby promises to deliver to the grantee when and as created the number of Unicoins specified in this certificate. Okay, so this is your guarantee that you will receive 100 Unicoins. And it'll have your name here as well and everything. And you can read through the pre-sale terms if you want. I've read it. There's nothing in there that really stands out as odd. It's just pretty standard. And so this guarantees you the Unicoins when they are finally released, which will be early 2023. More information on that later. But for now, that's all you need to do is just fill in your name and your country in that short little form with my promo code, and you will receive this certificate. So make sure you keep this safe, because this is your guarantee to actually receive the Unicoins in the near future. And if you come to their website and you click on portfolio, you can see the businesses that they have already agreed to invest in. So this is already in the Unicoin portfolio. So remember I said they want a $220 billion valuation? Well, they're going to be adding more and more companies to their portfolio as the Unicorn Hunters show goes on into the future. I think they've just released a brand new season as well. And you can check out some of these businesses that they have agreed to invest in right here. You can watch the full-length episodes for free right here on their website. And I have watched, not all of them, but I've watched, I think 4 out of the 6 that are here. And they do look really amazing. I can see why they wanted to invest in them. So check those out for yourself if you think that these companies are worthy of being in such a portfolio. I think it's really exciting, and they do hope to grow the portfolio to over 200 businesses by the end of 2025. Now, there are risks. Obviously, the Unicoin itself has not been created or deployed yet. It's not available. So that's going to happen early next year, hopefully. With any cryptocurrency, obviously, there are risks. Just because there's a group of people that are well known attached to this doesn't mean it's going to be successful. It doesn't mean at all that the businesses they invest in are going to be successful. There's absolutely no guarantee that you will receive any worthy dividends from investing in Unicoin. There's no guarantee you'll ever get your money back either. But crypto is a risk. However, I do like the idea that they are actually being backed by real world assets, and the fact that they have a major team behind it. All those people that I mentioned, like those are legit business people and entrepreneurs, people that even are not involved in crypto will have heard those names. And third, they already have a large audience. If you think about it, with their YouTube channel and the show Unicorn Hunters itself, like they already have an audience, and the Unicorn Hunters show is constantly being talked about in the media as well. And don't forget, the show was also on Amazon Prime, so they also have this audience set and ready to sell the Unicoins to. And as far as safety and security goes, you know, the team is well known. It's backed by this show, Unicorn Hunters. These people are putting their reputations on the line for such a coin. And to be honest, it seems more like an investment business than just some regular cryptocurrency that is created by an anonymous team, and you kind of have to trust them even though you haven't ever seen their face. So that's what I like about Unicoin. But please do your own research, you know, look through the businesses, watch the show, and look at the LinkedIn profiles of all these people attached to it. And do your own research before you buy any Unicoins yourself. You can buy more than the 100 free coins that you'll get if you use my promo code, but that's completely up to you. If you want to do that, you can just get the free 100 coins just for filling out that little form. And that's all you need to do, no investment needed. So let me know what you think about Unicoin and Unicorn Hunters. Have you seen the show? Do you like it? Do you think there's potential here with Unicoin? It's supposedly going to be backed by real world assets, which is quite exciting, especially considering everything that is attached to Unicoin, the show Unicorn Hunters, and the people involved with it. That's definitely something unique that we haven't seen in DeFi yet, these major well-known names associated with a cryptocurrency. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to use the link in the description and use my promo code lazyboy for 100 free Unicoins. And please subscribe as well if you haven't done so. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.